Kung naghahanap ka pa rin ng house and lot na malapit lang sa Manila at available sa Pag-ibig Financing for as low as 5,000 reservation payment, mapapasayo na nga itong 3-story townhouse dito sa Imus, Cavite. Kaya naman, wag mo nang palagpasin at panoorin ang buong house tour to know how to avail our 3-lane project. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another quick house tour. Alam mo ba, ito na yung pinakamura naming unit na ma-offer dito sa Imus, Cavite. At pwedeng-pwede to sa mga virtual assistant kong client. And I really like this unit. Paano ba naman? 3-story na yung makukuha mo. Napaka-spacious pa talaga at napakagandang i-design. For a typical inner unit, may minimum floor area ka na 94 square meters at may lot area ka na rin na 50 square meters. At alam mo ang best part dito, may provision ka na nga for 3 to 4 bedrooms at may 3 toilet and bath ka na rin, 1 in each floor. Syempre, may service area at carport nang included. Reselling pa ang project natin, kaya naman 12 months to pay ang down payment for as low as 27,000 per month at ang monthly amortization through Pag-ibig Financing